Hey guys, what's happening? How to import contacts from Excel to Google Contacts. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna save your Excel file as a CSV. So hit File at the top left, Download. In the download, you're gonna see Microsoft Excel, Open Document, PDF, Web Page, and comma separated values, short name for CSV. So we're gonna hit this format, right? Gonna wait for a few moments, right? And we're gonna download the CSV file. Now what we're gonna do, go to the Google Contacts, right? On the left hand menu, you're gonna see import, just hit import. And as you can see, they only accept CSV or vCard format, right? So I'm gonna hit select file, or you can drag the file, and you can see the untitled spreadsheet, right? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit import, and it will import smoothly. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.